all, welcome back to Enchanting English. Today I'm going to give you a very interesting topic. Have you ever thought about the words speak and talk? Are they similar in meaning? Are they similar in usage? This is what we are going to see today. Come, let's get into the topic. Let's see the meaning of talk and speak. In fact, these two words mean the same. It means to convey an information or to express your feeling using words. So the meaning of talk and speak is the same. Let's now see the different forms of these verbs. Talk present tense, talk past tense and talked past participle. So we add ed to form present tense, past tense and past participle. Now when you consider speak, spoke is a past tense and spoken is a past participle form. So we say I talked to him, I talked to him yesterday, I have already spoken to him. Now when you take speak, I speak to him, I spoke to him yesterday, I have spoken to him before. Now let's see how talk is different from speak. Talk refers to a casual way of saying. So it is used in informal context. For example, the friends talked about their picnic plans. Here you can understand the conversation is happening among friends. So it is an informal context. So here we make use of talk, not speak. Let's now see the next difference. When you use talk, you mean that there is a conversation happening there. There is one speaker and one or more listener. Then the relationship between the speaker and the listener is a friendly relationship or a personal relationship. So we say, I talk to my mother, I talk to my father, I talk to my friend, but not I talk to my manager. The next interesting thing about the word talk is this. Is it right to use to or with along with talk? In fact, these two are similar in meaning. There's not much difference. The only difference is that when you use talk to, it refers to more or less a one-sided conversation. You don't mean that the speaker gets response from the listener. That's the only difference that you have when you use talk to and talk with. Both are correct. Let's now see how the word speak is different from talk. When we say speak, we focus only on the speaker and not the listener. And the word speak is more formal, it is more polite, and the relationship between the speaker and of course the listener is a professional relationship, and hence we say I spoke to the manager or I am speaking to the manager, not I am talking to the manager. Next comes a very interesting thing. With language we use the word speak and not talk. We don't say I talk English. We have to say I speak English. And now you have a very interesting idiom with speak. On speaking terms. What do you mean by this? When you say I am not on speaking terms with Tina after having a heated argument with her, I mean that I'm quite annoyed with Tina, I'm quite angry with Tina and I don't want to speak to her. So it is speaking terms and not talking terms. Talking terms is grammatically wrong. It is speaking terms. Now let's see some interesting sentences to check your understanding. Sentence number 1. I dashed to my manager yesterday. Will you use spoke or talked here? You understand that relationship here is a professional relationship and we don't use talk, so the answer is spoke. And you have the second sentence. My heart was heavy yesterday. I really wanted to dash to her. I really wanted to talk to her or talk with her because it is a personal relationship. It's not a professional relationship. This is sentence number 3. I must find time to dash to my mother. Is it speak or talk? And here you know that relationship is between my mother and me. So it is a personal relationship. So we use talk, not speak. Here comes the fourth sentence. I would like to dash on this important topic. Is it speak or talk? I would like to dash. So imagine you are asked to present a speech. It is a formal context. So you have to use speak, not talk. And this is fifth sentence. The employees wanted to dash to the manager. So here it is a professional relationship between the employer and between the employees and the manager. And hence it is a formal context. So your answer is speak, not talk. I believe you like this lesson very much and you're very clear about the usage of speak and talk. If you like this session, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Please do continue watching. Thank you. Thank you for clicking this video.